Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. This is the part 2 of our two-part series on using acupressure techniques to relieve knee pain. There are 8 pressure points around the knee joints, are very effective in treating knee-related issues and improving lower body health. In today's video, we're going to learn the benefit of the second set of 4 points and how to use them to soothe your knee joints. The best medicines in our body, let's tap into it. Let's first review the 4 points we learned in the previous class. There are the CN points, eyes to the knees on the lower border of the patella, sea of blood, the 血海 point on the spleen meridian, the ridge mound, 梁丘 point on the stomach meridian. Remember, the lateral side of the legs are the yang, medial side of the leg is the yin, where the passage of stomach and the spleen meridian travels. The stomach and the spleen are channel pair. They are yin and yang to each other. If you haven't seen the previous video, I will attach a card on the upper corner of this video and also a link at the end of this one. These are the 4 powerful points we will be learning today. Let's start with GB34, the Yang Valley Spring, Yang Ling Quan point. The Chinese character Yang here means sun or energetic in nature. Ling means mound or small hill, and Quan means spring. It's located diagonally in front and below the head of the fibula. It gets its name from the belief in Chinese medicine that the outer side of the knee belongs to the yang because it gets more sun. The head of a fibula is likened to a heel, and the hollow area in front and below the heel is where the yang energy flows like water into a deep valley spring. Hence, its name, Yang Valley Spring. The direct translation will be Yang Mound Spring. This is a refreshing, deep river valley that brings joy. The Yang Ling Quan point is the meeting point of the gallbladder meridian. It is where the meridian energy gathers. Stimulating this point can promote liver and gallbladder health, relax tendons, alleviate spasm and pain, and strengthen the lower back and the knees. It is effective in treating conditions such as lower back and leg pain, gallbladder inflammation, knee arthritis, and sciatica. Let's first find the fibula. Run your fingers from your lateral side of the ankle bone and come up to the knee joints. Here's the fibula, the lower border of the patella. Imagine the head of the fibula and the patella forms an equilateral triangle. The Yang Ling Quan is at the bottom corner of the triangle. When massaging the Yang Valley Spring point, you must ensure the sensation of 得气, or obtaining qi, or arrival of qi, which is the feeling of soreness, numbness, or distension. It's a good feeling. The Yin Ling Quan point is opposite from the Yang Ling Quan, which is along the spleen meridian. The spleen meridian travels along the inside of the legs where it gets less sun. Therefore, it's yin in nature. Start from the inner side of the ankle bone. Run your fingers up along the tibia. This is the tibia bone, the shin bone. Come up. The shin bone started to flatten out near the top. Just as the shape is changing, finding this corner here, the very deep depression where the muscle, the bone and the muscle meets. The head of the tibia here is likened a heel, and the hollow in front and below the heel is where the yin energy flows like water into the valley spring. See the big depression here? This point often tender when pressed, which helps confirm its location. The yin valley spring is responsible for fluid metabolism. Regularly massage of this point helps prevent water retention from turning into dampness, and the dampness from developing into phlegm and causing many other conditions. So same idea, massage this point for about 2 minutes. Or you can massage the yin and yang of the valley spring points together. So make sure adequate amount of pressure. You can use the tip of the thumb or use a knuckle from each hand. But just make sure you allocate at least 2 minutes for each point. As I'm massaging, I can feel my yang ling quan. There's this tingling sensation, itchy, and soreness. I know it's working. The next 2 points are hereby, the crane's summit, and the weizhong, supporting the middle. They're also somewhat opposite from each other and are easy to locate. The hereby, or the crane's summit, is a poetic name that reflects the imagery used in traditional Chinese medicine. The kneecap is likened to the head of a crane, with its round shape resembling the bird's head. The name evokes the elegance and grace of the crane, suggesting a point of balance and importance in the body. It's very easy to find. This is the upper border of the patella. It's right in the middle where muscles meet. Pressing this point with the thumb can elicit a sore and swollen sensation. Regularly massage this point can alleviate knee joint soreness, weakness, and pain. Weizhong point. Weizhong means bend, middle, or supporting the middle. It's located right in the middle of the crease of the knee, between the tendons. The poetic imagery here reflects the idea of this point being central and supportive in terms of body mechanics and energy flow. The bend aspect, referring knees function as a hinge, allowing flexibility and movement. It is a master point for treating lower back problems, motor impairment of the hip joint, muscular atrophy, pain and numbness of lower extremities, and abdominal pain, vomiting, and diarrhea. You could massage these 2 points together. Whichever way that is comfortable, you can sit on your bed or on the chair with your foot resting on another piece of furniture. Massage them together, or all these 4 points, you can work on each one independently, separately. But just make sure you allocate at least 2 minutes for each point. Here's another very good technique, is to massage the crane's summit, the hereby, and the xiyan, the knees, eyes, together. I've been mostly working on my right knee. It's because that's where my most discomfort is coming from. But you do want to work on both sides, both legs. Friends, you can use these techniques interchangeably and find the one that feels the best in the body and the best for your knee pain management. But these powerful points are not just for knee pain. They benefit our overall health so much, and they are within our body. This is the embedded medicine in our body. Be sure to use them. If you like the video, please give a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Do share these wonderful techniques with family and friends. Sharing is caring, so we all can explore these holistic self-care techniques.